Meet the duckling, the cutest bundle of fluff you've ever seen. Did you know ducklings can swim just hours after hatching? It's all thanks to their natural instincts. These little ones love staying close to keep warm. Cuteness overload, right? Ducklings eat tiny insects and plants, but their favorite food? Anything they can nibble on. With their tiny webbed feet, they're built for life on water and land. Truly amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heartwarming animal moments. See you in the next one.